Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the bookmarks bar in Google Chrome browser disappeared issue really quickly. So let's get started now. As you can see, we're on my home tab here in Google Chrome, and there's absolutely no bookmarks bar, so that I can access my bookmarked favorite websites with one click. So to simply reinstate the bookmarks bar, do the following, guys. You may access your browser settings by clicking on that button here on these three dots, and select, for example, settings. And here in your settings, head over to appearance here on the left hand side and make sure that this option here is enabled under appearance, show bookmarks bar. And if I toggle it on here to the right, it will automatically appear the bookmarks bar here at the top, so that I may access my bookmarked website really quickly. You may turn it off again, just like that. And that's basically it. The other option would be to click on these three dots here again, over your mouse over bookmarks and list, and simply select show bookmarks bar here. Alternatively, use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+B on your keyboard, or if you're accessing Google Chrome through a Mac, Command+Shift+B. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.